was once a boy who had never smelled anything, not flowers, not food, not even the smoke from a sparkler. His name was Arav.
And while his family danced and played each holy, his world remained all muted, as if color had forgotten him.
But 1 year Holy didn't come.
The skies were gray, the music silent.
The color makers, the ones who ground flower petals,
Mixed turmeric and dried gula in the sun,
had vanished. The world forgot how to celebrate. Some said the colors had been stolen, others said they had run away, tired of being misused. But Arav, he felt something different.
he followed a trail, not of footprints, but of spices, faint traces of cardamom coming in close, scents he had never noticed before. Each time he got close, his nose tingled, his chest lifted. For the first time, the world smelled alive.
In a forgotten spice shop tucked behind a crumbling temple, that I found her, the color keeper. She sat cross-legged on the floor, her hands dusty with pigments and tears.
Why did the colors leave, he asked.
They weren't appreciated, she said. People threw them in anger, not joy.
Laughed too loud, but forgot to listen.
Arav sat beside her. I've never even smelled color, he whispered. She looked at him surprised and smiled.
Maybe that's why you can.
She handed him a pouch, soft, warm, pulsing faintly. Take it, share it with feeling, not force.
As he walked back through the gray village, he opened the pouch. A small puff of red escaped, landing on a sad child's cheek. The child blinked and smiled.
Then yellow touched the window, green danced across the worn sari, blue climbed into the sky. One by one, people stepped out of their homes, blinking in disbelief.
Laughter returned, not loud but true. No one shouted, they sang.
And when Arav tossed the final pinch into the air,
The world sneezed, a burst of color, gentle, joyful, unstoppable, washed over everything. Even I, who couldn't smell, now did.
and not just the spices.
He smelled memory, laughter, forgiveness.
And every holy after, it was Arav who began the celebration.
Not with a bucket of powder, but a single mindful handful, given with care, carried by the wind.